What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to go to the Cars and Coffee, meet up with one of the guys first, and then we'll head over there. I have now got the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II, so I can finally take off my helmet and, you know, just sort of more vlog with it, because it shoots decent quality video, unlike my other camera, because that one shot 1080p and looked like I was filming on a potato. So yeah, it's going to be good to test it out. I was going to get an ND filter for it, but it's like the kit lens, it's like a really weird size. It's like 40.5, so the shop didn't have any, so we're just going to have to miss out on that. So I'm not going to have like the settings that I want, but it's going to be alright. We can live without it for today. So yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I do, probably when I'm meeting up with the man, the myth, the legend, Calvin. He's got a BMW something, although yeah, he's not taking his bike, because his bike, we were up on the hill after our bike meet, and I'm just revving the shit out of his bike because it shoots flames, and who doesn't like flames? And all I see is oil all over the forks and on the brake caliper. So I'm like, yeah buddy, you can not ride that till you get that fixed, because that is gonna get you in trouble. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys whenever I do. I had to let you guys get the downshift and acceleration. Right, Calvin is on his ZX25R with the absolute stuffed up fork seals. So he really should not be doing that. There's still some oil on his calipers, which is not ideal. But I have my boots on now. It feels so much better shifting than sneakers. So I got the new camera in my fanny pack. Okay, why are there so many cotton buds? Bro, there's like a trillion of them. Calvin said he was going down the motorway. He saw a bunch of Ferraris and stuff racing each other. So this should be a good turnout. Last time I believe it was a Porsche meet, or hosted partly by Porsche, and it was pretty cool. Lots of Porsches, although I missed out on like a GT3 and stuff, which I wasn't very happy about, because that's like one of my dream cars. I'm like really hyped that this camera fits in my fanny pack, because it means I don't have to wear a backpack, which I hate. It feels like it restricts me. Gotta give it some gas, you know. So yeah, I hope to get some sort of B-roll footage as well. One thing that I like about this camera is, on my old camera you couldn't do this, but you can change the shutter speed to like 4, 5 or 6 sort of thing. So it's like, I don't know, you just get those quick cinematic shots. It looks sick. The bike sounded nice today. Right, we are here. Oh my gosh, is that it? SF90, dude. Oi! Oi! Bring your bike in here. Don't take 2 spots up, bro. Alright, SF90. Oh my gosh, there's a kick coming out of it, bro. What the hell? Alright, I'm gonna switch to the new camera now, and we'll see how that goes. Dang. Lotus Emira. What do you think of it? What do you think of the Lotus Emira? Nice?
Does the door go up?
No, just a normal door.
No.
Pretty nice though. Pretty clean.
What's that supposed to be?
What?
It's got like a motorcycle exhaust on it.
But dude, I gotta see the CC90, dude.
There's some front things.
Look at the wheels on this thing, dude. Insane, dude. $1 million car right there. Oh, the high spec ones are.
Yeah.
Although, if I had, what, 150 grand?
Yeah.
This is what I'm getting. Carrera. Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh, the color of that.
Carrera. I love these sort of little spoilers. Pretty sick. 992.
Is that a 488?
Yeah.
Get it with the lights on.
Damn, bro. I gotta turn my. Oh, that low, bro. Damn. This is my dream SUV.
Huh?
But this is my dream SUV, the Aston Martin DBX.
Over Urus?
Yes, bro. Urus is dookie,
Oh, wait. It's more expensive though, eh? Like way more, right?
dude. Similar. You can get these for way
If it's the
cheaper.
new one, I don't know.
Yeah. Second hand, you can get them for like 150.
150 for this?
Yeah.
Get them.
A2 exposed. The F8, dude. It's clean. Alright, we're gonna go into some B-roll now. So,
Oh, records too?
roll the montage, buddy.
First class, alright. What you wanna when we fight? I can get you away tonight. You know I can change your life. First class, alright. What you wanna when we fight? I can get you away tonight. You know I can change your life. First class, alright. What you wanna when we fight? I can get you away tonight. You know I can change your life. First class, alright. Break, 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 break.
Alright, we've got my bike. And then we've got the 488. Pretty cool. A bit of a crowd. Mainly because of this Ferrari. But it sort of made it so I also have a crowd. Which is kind of cool. I'm not sure how the B-rolls went, but it should be warmed up enough. And just like that, it's all done. So yeah, I hope those B-rolls were alright. I definitely need to get an ND filter though, because I just kept on having to change my settings. It looked kind of poopy. But yeah, saw the SF90, which was pretty sick. Anyway, probably end off the video now. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be getting better with the camera over time. Just got to get used to it. And for some reason, it was just overheating like crazy. I knew it had like overheating issues, but I don't know, it seemed pretty bad. But we'll see. Might just have to get the little fan for it, which shouldn't be too bad of a problem. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.